In this video, we will see how to encrypt our Google Drive, using Rclone. So without further ado, let's get started. In the previous parts we've used Google Drive as our Rclone remote name. We will be using the same remote to encrypt our Google Drive. So to start, type Rclone config. Press N, give a name for your new remote, we will call it Crypto. Once done, you will be presented with lot of options. We will use the option 10, Encrypt/Decrypt. Once you type 10, it will ask for the remote location. This is where we will use the remote name we used before. That is, Google Drive in our case. Here, you can encrypt a folder in your Google Drive by typing the remote name / the folder name in the Google Drive. Or, if you are privacy paranoid like us, you can encrypt the entire Google Drive. To do that, type the remote name, followed by colon and /. Once you press enter, it will give you list of options. You can encrypt the file names and its details, or just the file name. We will go with the option 1. Press 1. Now you can encrypt the directories if you wish. We will encrypt the directories too. So press 1. Now this the crucial step. This is where you will need to enter a password to encrypt your Google Drive. Just make sure to remember this password, or write it somewhere, because if you lose this, your encrypted files will be lost forever. Type Y and enter your password. In the next step you can either give a hint or leave it as such. We will ignore it, so type N, and press enter. If you are all done, then give Y and press enter. Now the setup is over. Let's check if it is working fine. We will be using the same mount command we used in the first video. Don't worry, all the commands are given in the description. Here the command is almost the same, except that we won't be using the Google Drive remote name. Instead we will use Crypto, the new encrypted remote, followed by the letter to which the drive should be mounted to. Now, this is how we shouldn't make a mistake when typing the command. We got the remote name wrong. Voila! Another error. We are hit by a storm of luck. So when you get Win, FSP, already in use error, it means that the drive letter you used is already in use. Check in Explorer and give another letter. There are 26 letters in alphabet. Once you press enter, you will get the message service started successfully. Now go to the File Explorer, and see if Crypto is mounted. Boom, the remote is mounted. Now let's see if encryption works fine. We will add a folder and a file inside it from Explorer, then go to Google Drive and see if the files are actually encrypted. Yippee hooray, it worked just fine. Now unless the FBI, NSA, CIA or Interpol is on your track, nobody can see your files, not even Google. Isn't that amazing? That's it for now folks. If you have any doubts, watch the previous videos in the series, drop a comment, or reach out to us. Until next time, aloha.